you what?
0.0332.
0.0332. Okay, thank you. And then if you multiply that, or you subtract that from the other pressure, you get point. You guys got 0.9. Okay, you got the number you're supposed to get. All right.
Okay.
Very good. It's working. Okay.
Just do.
They
just
0.821.
All right.
And then this
Oh
is.
my gosh.
It works.
Yay!
Recall
Teamwork.
that R is constant.
So you guys watch The Voice? Love that show.
Okay. So, I think you're finally there. You have
We have
all the
constant.
numbers.
We have R, yes.
You have it?
So we have
Okay.
all the components. So pressure.
So which number did that, the pressure, we had to subtract, right? So what did you end up, so we're gonna, so we took this, we subtracted the something or other, we ended up with 0. Somebody give me the numbers that you guys came up there, because this is actually not our final pressure.
1.003 minus 0.0332 equals 0.97.
You have to subtract.
So we
Okay.
were using the CO2 pressure.
Yes. So what was this number one more time? Give it to me.
0.0332.
Right, okay. And so this is our final P value. I'm actually
Oh,
going to
so
draw
we,
that.
that is, I thought.
This,
It is it,
that
Got
is
it.
P.
Yeah, okay.
Because we had to adjust P for the water in order to calculate the pressure of the CO2.
So 0.97 times.
Right? So now, algebraically, I have P, I have V, right? Over here. I have R and I have T. Now you want to solve for N, okay? And you should all come up with fairly similar values for N.
What did we get for
So what do you guys get?
Your volume?
3.4?
N is the moles, okay?
Equals
She's saying that
N
P
R
is
T.
4.18.
I'm super
Those P we just solved.
So remember, volume is just how much space it takes up.
We use
N is
that
going to tell us
to find it.
how much
Right there.
CO2 is actually in the space that we calculated.
Basically understand.
So,
Very
Times the temperature, which is in Kelvin, 200. Okay, you got
anybody
it?
have an N value yet?
P is
Okay, so now we just, we
What's the difference?
were just right here and we're
P
right
is
here.
the
so many,
volume
you just
That we have, so we have the pressure, which is
R is
0.97.
I have N equals 1.135.
Algebraically, N is going to equal PV divided by RT, right? If I take this to isolate N, that's what I need.
Okay.
So if I multiply P times V, then divide by the R times the T. So what does somebody have an N value?
Okay.
I got 1.135.
1.135 is what one team has. Those are moles, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else have a value?
working.
So that would be, that's right.
That sounds about right.
3, 2, almost there. And then we do
Told you there was a lot of math in this one.
0.8.
Well, that's before the multiplying by 60, obviously.
Right. Well, that's a different.
Oh, yeah.
That's to get a standardized number.
That's
I think that.
Right. But just to get N, right? This is the moles in the volume. So if I want to, so. How
Okay,
many-
now we divide.
Anybody else have a number?
To get, are we trying to get N?
N. You're
Okay,
solving
so
for
now we
N
have
right
N.
now.
Oh, so yeah, now we divide it by
0.135.
this, the 2 point.
You shouldn't get 0.1.
Yeah, Jimmy. Wait 1 second. 5,
Just N. You're solving for N.
4, 7.
It should be a number over 1 or at least around 1.
Oh yeah, no, it's 332.71.
Oh, wait a minute. Maybe not.
2,
Yeah, I got
Dylan, I think your number might be off by a decimal.
7, 9.
Try to-
13.5535 is what I got.
Yeah, actually, I'm looking at the sample calculations. That's way off. So,
Yeah,
I got 0.0133.
0.1.
What are you guys doing?
I got point
Okay.
1 2.
I got
What's, okay, your pressure, okay, let's go back. If pressure is almost 1 and volume is about 3, a little over 3, this should be a little over 3, right? Divided by this times this. What is this times this? This is gonna be the same for everybody.
24.5.
24.5.
Okay,
Yeah.
479.
79.
okay. So this is gonna be 24.9. So I'm gonna just say, I'm gonna estimate what everybody's values should be. It's gonna be around 3.4 divided by that on a calculator. Everyone should have a number pretty close to this, right?
We had 3.16.
I get 0.14, guys. So one of the most common problems people do on their calculators is they might not put this in parentheses, in which case, if you don't get the division correctly. But if you notice, okay, if I multiply this times this, I should get a number close to 25, right? In the denominator, right? If I multiply this
What was our P?
times this, I should get a number pretty close to 3.4 in the
That's
numerator.
what we messed
0.08
up.
times 26 is 26.
No, times this.
It's P.
Kelvin. If you're not convert to Kelvin, then you're gonna get a wrong answer.
I got 0.135.
That's
Oh, look, I messed it up. I put
I got
332.
It should be
Yeah, no.
about
Yeah, I messed up. I'm sorry.
0.14.
Speak up.
Yeah, it was. Sorry, I messed up.
We got 0.13.
But we did it right.
Okay.
We just
Yeah.
He was right.
So everybody should be getting a number very close to this if you did
exactly
your
what I
math
got.
correctly.
Yeah, we got about
Okay.
1.3.
We got a
We're not done now.
Success?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. So
Yeah, no, we got it.
unfortunately, we're still not done, right? Because,
3, 2, 7. We have another one. So wait, according to the reaction.
oh wait a minute. Wait.
Finding yield.
Is this someone got that? Yeah, 135. That was what they
I
got.
got
I don't
some.
know.
Oh no, wait. Oh, I messed up.
What did you do?
In order,
What did
so
we
this
get?
is the number of moles.
Times the.
Oh, you rounded up.
It asks you to convert it to grams, okay? In other words, we're saying here that we have this times the Avogadro's number of particles, right, bouncing around in your balloons, right? We want to convert it to something that's a little bit easier. So in order to convert it to grams, right,
We have
there's
to look
the
at
factor is given to you. The molar mass of vinegar is 60, so you take that number of moles and you multiply it by 60 to get the grams. So how many grams?
0.13.
Well, times, yeah, 0.13 something times 60.
8.1.
1.
Yep,
But it
8.1.
says you should expect 200.
200.
It says calculate your percent error from what you expect 200 grams.
No, from that time.
No, wait, according to the reaction.
Based on 200 grams of vinegar.
grams. What?
Yep.
Okay, so how many grams do you guys end up with?
8.1.
8.1?
8.13.
8.1, 8.2, somewhere I'm going to say grams, right? Okay? Of CO2, okay? Basically, the percentage then will just be this divided by 200, right? And actually, you guys are almost identical to his numbers, which is pretty fun.
Oh, yeah.
Because most standard vinegar will be around 4%. And I think that's what you're going to get, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So 4%, you guys are right on then. Good. It worked. Yay. Okay.
On to the
So
next
here,
one.
in other words,
Let's go.
we're expecting between 4 and 5%. That's what we got. We don't really have a percentage error to worry about it. Okay. Do your best to clear this all out because we're down to 45 minutes to do the other.